This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience. Hey!
Banana, 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 where are you? I am banana. Do, 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 do. Banana, banana, who is there with you? Banana, banana, no that won't do. I'm banana, banana, I'm banana, that is the real me. I'm banana, banana, I'm banana, that is the real me.
Now what do we have here? Funny eggs! Would you just look at them, friends? Oh no, let's find them! This is a cow! And here we have our missing chick. It's red. Who's that? A pig. And here? It's a duck. Let's check this house. Bingo! Dark blue chick. Who's in here? It's a sheep. How about this house? A donkey. The last house. Yay, we've got it! Green chick! These are shapes. A circle. And this one? It's a rectangle. Next, triangle. This one here is a square. And finally, a pentagon. Let's fill them in. This is a triangle, remember? And a square. Whoa, we've got a chick! It's blue! Let's keep going. Ah, what luck! One more chick, it's orange! We gotta finish here. Yay, we found the last chick! It's yellow. There you go, little fella. Bye-bye.
A car, a boat, a helicopter. This is sheep. This is plane. It's a truck. Hot air balloon. It's a bike. Apple. Where? Cube.
Oops. Wow.
What's better on a hot day than a lovely scoop of ice cream in a cone? I'll tell you, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe even 6 scoops of ice cream. It's time for some ice cream cone counting fun. This is a great counting game. Roll the die and then place the ice cream scoops on the cone. You will need card, lollipop sticks, pom-poms, a die and some pegs. First, decorate a triangle of card so it looks like an ice cream cone. I've used a pen to draw some crisscross lines. Stick the cone to 2 lollipop sticks. Like this. Using glue, stick each pom-pom to a wooden peg. I've made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ice cream scoops. Now we're ready to play the game. Roll the die and then place the right number of ice cream scoops on the cone. 1, 2, 3, I'm a winner.
Putting out this fire, I'm tryna lose my mind, yeah. Gonna show it off like nobody's watching. Baila, baila, no putting out this fire. Gonna show 'em what's inside, yeah. Gonna show it off like nobody's watching. Hands up if you're gonna be somebody.
This is a make you'll want to snap up right away. In fact, you could say it's picture perfect. But don't worry, you'll be able to make it in a flash. Get ready to say cheese for this cool card camera. You will need gloopy glue, a small card box, some paint, a large bottle top, a bead, some ribbon, and a sticker. First, take a small cardboard box and paint it any colour you like. When it's dry, you can add the different camera parts. How about a sticker for the flash? A bottle top for the lens? And a piece of ribbon for the strap. Add the bead on top for the button. And smile! Oh look, it's the shapes! Picture perfect! Cheese and pickle. No, prawn mayo. No, peanut butter and jam. Oh, I can never decide what my favourite sandwich is. But luckily, with my foam sandwiches, you can make any filling you like. With just 2 triangles of sponge and foam slices, you can make a super sandwich. You will need 2 sponge cloths, coloured fun foam, brown paint, and that's it. First, paint the edges of a yellow sponge brown and let it dry. Then, cut it in half, like this. Be careful, scissors are sharp. Cut a wiggly, wavy line in a green fun foam strip to make lettuce. And then stick on all the fun foam shapes to one side of the sponge. That's the lettuce, some cheese, and a slice of tomato. Cover the other piece of bread in glue and stick it on top. Tasty! It almost looks good enough to eat.